Hey y'all, what's good? In this video, I'll be trying the Mane Choice products for the first time. I know, crazy, but I just haven't picked them up. So I decided to try 4 different products from 4 different lines. If you're interested in seeing this video, then stay tuned. So I'm starting off this video with my rice milk pre-poo, which is completely bomb. I have a previous video on how I create my pre-poo. Definitely check it out. It leaves your hair so nice and soft. So my hair is definitely prepped for the shampoo. So this product, the Exotic Kool-Aid Minty Guava and Kiwi Shampoo, is a super new product from the Mane Choice. I think it came out a month ago. The fact that my Walgreens even had it in the Virgin Islands is quite the thing, so I'm happy to be able to try it out. It has a very loose, runny consistency, and that's why it has an applicator bottle to apply it directly to your scalp. So be better than me, do better than me, and use the applicator and apply it to your scalp instead of pouring it into your hands, because it's gonna get everywhere. This product contains water, kiwi seed oil, aloe vera leaf juice, sea berry fruit oil, and vitamin C. It also contains biotin, it contains mint and peppermint oil, as well as guava extract, and that's why you get that fruity, minty scent. It's quite nice. So I just massage it in, and I also go in with my shampoo brush. I will link it down below, and I make sure I get at my scalp and get the grime out. I know some people don't take the shampoo down their hair strands. That's a lie. It's a lie. I do that. I like getting the stuff off of my hair. I want to make sure the shampoo is really cleansing my hair, so I'm never just going to apply shampoo to my scalp. I don't do that. For me and my household, we don't do that. And then I go in and do a second lather, just allowing my hair to get super clean. You don't have to do the second lather, but I choose to do so. This product retails for about $13.99 to $14.99, which is typical for Mane Choice products. I would say their products range anywhere from $12 to $20. I am no stranger to Mane Choice. Sure, I've heard about Mane Choice for the last, 5 or 6 years. For some reason, I just haven't picked it up, but this shampoo has great lather. If you're into suds or you want to see bubbles, it will do that for you. Has great lather, but it does keep your hair moisturized. So in the end, this product was super duper moisturizing. I highly recommend this shampoo. Y'all know I don't really mess with shampoo, but this is one that I recommend. Like, look at my hair. It's curly, it's shiny from a shampoo. So Mane Choice definitely gets my stamp of approval for this shampoo. So next I'm going in with the Easy on the Curls Detangling Hydration Conditioner. I thought I purchased the 3-in-1 conditioner, the one Natural 85 raves about, but evidently I can't read, although I have 2 degrees. So I picked up the wrong conditioner, but I still lucked out because this conditioner is honestly great, and it has motivated me to buy more Mane Choice conditioners and more Mane Choice products overall. The first 5 ingredients are water, aloe leaf juice, glycerin, avocado oil, and cetyl alcohol, which is a fatty alcohol. It's not a stripping or drying alcohol. So when you see alcohols, they're not all made equally. This is a good one. This product retails for about $13, and it smells like heavy, strong grape. Okay, it's a heavy grape punch, like, you know, that grape punch that you buy from the dollar store, that type of grape. That's what it smells like, but it smells pleasant. It is a good smell. Mane Choice does a good job with their fragrances. Look at this product. It has amazing slip. Like, I was blown away by the slip and the moisture. When this product touched my hair, it instantly felt soft and moisturized, and my hands just glided through my hair. It was kind of insane. It was kind of crazy. So I love this conditioner. I probably won't use it again for a rinse out because it's kind of pricey for a rinse out conditioner, but I will use it as a leave-in next time I use it. So this is what my hair looks like with it applied before I rinse this stuff out. And, like, honestly, y'all, this was a good ass wash day, okay? This was a bomb wash day, I must admit. And I just braid my hair up and I move on to the next section. And then I apply my microfiber towel and allow my hair to air dry for about 30 minutes before I apply my deep conditioner. I do not apply deep conditioner on wet hair. Usually when I apply deep conditioner, I'm applying it on damp or dry hair. That is my preference for my low porosity natural hair. Now it's time for the ancient Egyptian anti-breakage and repair antidote hair mask. This product comes highly recommended by two of my favorite YouTubers that I watch, Kimberly Sherrill and One Smart Fro. They both recommended this product, and that's why I went out and got it. Yeah, it's about $20. The first 5 ingredients are water, aloe vera juice, coconut oil, sunflower seed oil, and triglycerides. It does have honey further down on the list, as well as some silk amino acids. This product applied really well. It smells like peaches, like something sweet. I kind of think it smells like peaches, but I'm not sure. It's because it's kind of orange and yellow. Maybe that's why, and I'm basic. Kind of smells sweet, maybe peaches, I don't know. I used probably half of the jar, which honestly is not atypical for me. I've been going through 8 ounces in 2 uses. This did not impress me. I think it's kind of overhyped. I know the ancient Egyptian line is probably one of the most popular by the Mane Choice, but this deep conditioner left a lot to be desired. My hair felt good. It just didn't feel great. Does that make sense? Like, it's not a bad product. You may completely love it. Because I've tried, some holy grail deep conditioners, it's just okay. And then I go under my hair dryer or my steamer. This time I went under my hair dryer. I will link the one that I use down below. Best money I ever spent. I love it. And this is what my hair looks like upon rinsing it out. You see, like, my curls look nice and juicy. They look defined. So again, not a bad product, y'all. Now it's time to apply my styler, but before I do that, I usually go in and apply oil to my scalp and my edges. It's just something that I do. I think it helps with hair growth and thickness, so that's what I'm doing right now. Now it's time to style my hair, and I'm going in with the Do It Fro the Culture Bold Buttery Gel. It retails for $16.99. This product is a very interesting consistency. It's thick and it moves while also not moving. It's really weird. I can't explain it. You'll have to pick it up to see what I mean. Like, it's kind of thick like Eco Styler, but also not nearly as thick as Eco Styler. It's strange. The consistency is a strange consistency. It's also kind of goopy. Like, when you press your hands together, it kind of sticks and wants to bounce back. It's really strange. I can't explain it. The scent, it smells good, but it's a very unique scent. It's something that I've never smelled before in any product, and I've probably used 1,000 products by now without even exaggerating. The first 5 ingredients are water, glycerin, aloe vera leaf juice, black cumin oil, and polysorbate 20, which is just a conditioner emulsifier, so it's not a bad ingredient at all. As you may notice, a lot of the products in the Mane Choice does contain glycerin and aloe vera juice, so if you're about that, then you may want to stay away. And most of the products also contain biotin. In applying this product to my hair, it was love at first application. Like, my hair was curling, it was shiny, it was defined. I'm not going in with a leave-in. I've been told that this product is great by itself for like a voluminous wash and go, so that's what I wanted and that's what I look forward to for my wash and goes. I can't stand flat hair. My head is way too big for that. I'm just going in and smoothing the product through my hair. It honestly glides across the hair really nicely. You can even detangle your hair with it in your hair, which is not something I say for gels, especially thicker gels like this one. But my hair just looked super shiny and juicy. I had never seen my hair like this with a product that was so lightweight. and full of moisture. Yeah, this was new for me. This product beat all the products. It blew all the other products out of the water. If you don't try any other products in this line, try this product. I have super kinky hair, and it defines my kinks and my frizz. My hair is super frizzy, but it clumped to my hair as though I was doing a twist out. It was really strange. This product is really just amazing. Like, if you don't buy any other product, you need this. I mean, I can't wait to try it for a twist out because for a wash and go, it was bomb. I know the results aren't even up yet on the screen, but honey, just know this is one of my best wash and goes I've ever had. I've never gotten so many compliments on my hair until I used this product. Like, this is a one product wash and go. How is my hair so clumped? How is it so shiny? How is it so defined? Like, bro, you serious? Are you serious? My hair was popping. It was poppington. And this is 4-day hair. 4th day hair. Yeah, like, this is my hair after 4 whole days. And you can see it's still shiny. It's still bouncy. It's still defined. Sure, it's gotten a bit of frizz, but even 4 days later, it's popping. I know some people don't like this product and don't like the hold. Honestly, this is probably the best product I've used ever. It's an instant staple. Like, look how good my hair looks, and the camera honestly is not doing it any justice at all. I really have nothing to say. The Mane Choice has really impressed me. I look forward to trying more Mane Choice products. Let me know what your favorite Mane Choice product is so I can check it out, and let me know what you think of my hair. Thanks for watching, y'all. Love you. Bye.